Oh, he's run the red.
Yeah,
Nice work, dickhead. If that truck could stop. Oh, look at this.
What did he stop for?
He didn't. He run the red light.
Oh, this bloke?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So this guy nearly hit him. There was a green arrow and a red light. And he went straight through.
Two. Fucking. You know how to drive?
A fucking clue.
You son of a bitch.
That same culvert pipe and the creeks run through every year quite happily, and when it comes to the big creek, it runs over the top. The problem we had with it previously, we bitumised the driveway down to the farm, and of course it runs across top of the bitumen and eats the bitumen away on the downstream side. So we had all sorts of problems.
No damage, fair bump, play on.
Summer, all my worries and my
deserve to have a say. Society won't progress while there are half-wits in the way. Immature privileged fuckwits do not recognise they're blessed, and when given half a chance they cannot help but make a mess. The grown-ups need to intervene and interrupt their play. Stop being an asshole. Okay! Folks who fought to have a voice across the years didn't do so for racists to launch political careers by screaming with entitlement that they deserve to have their way. Stop being an asshole. Okay! The progress that's been made within the realms of equal rights cannot simply be abandoned and set back overnight, reversing all advancements by 4 or 5 decades. Stop being an asshole. Okay!
Fruit Loop. What an absolute Fruit Loop and a half.
Take the next left.
I'm going to hit the right.
With Xero, it's business but better. Start your free 30-day trial at xero.com. Did you know Trilby Miso lawyers are super fast at helping people gain access to compensation? They are super experienced, so they achieve an outcome about 6 months faster than average. That means you could receive your settlement payout sooner, with less legal fees to pay, because time is money. Isn't it time?
You are one dumb son of a bitch.
I don't know, I didn't ask him that, but he said 6, I think he said.
Is he picking up jokes or anything?
I'm not going to ask, I'm just, I don't want to push him into anything.
No.
And I think he'd rather go. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, Red, you just missed the exit.
Damn it!
Yeah, he's just fucking randomly J fucking someone on the side of the road, unless you know they've got something.
Yeah.
Unless you're off your chops. What's this doing? Fucking save that at 7:21, Phil.
Yeah.
There you go, Scotty. This is what we're going to put up with down here in the southern suburbs. Sheesh.
I hear you, pal. I hear you.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
What a fucking whore. She did that on purpose.
She belongs to the streets.
What is this guy doing?
A few minutes later.
Goodness gracious. Get this out of the road, mate.
Black and white one, that's the David. Oh my God, Leslie. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. We got them all. We're going to get them all. I want them all. My God. 4 of them. Not 3 of them. Careful though. Don't see that. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where are they going? Oh my God.